futures move first. Learn futures from experienced pros with dedicated chats and daily live webinars, and trade with paper money to test drive the market. All on Thinkorswim. From TD Ameritrade.
Connections are what travel is all about. It starts with the Gold Delta Star Miles credit card from American Express. It's the card that can connect you to an even better
Are you
Delta experience.
videotaping this?
One where you can check your first bag free, and where you can settle in sooner with priority boarding. Call 1-866-212-AMEX or visit mycardcan.com to apply. Earn 30,000 bonus miles you can use towards your next trip. You'll get a $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, then it's $95. Plus, you can enjoy a free check bag and priority boarding on Delta flights. When you fly, connections mean everything. Can your card help make yours a little easier? My card can. Find out about our 30,000 bonus miles. Call 1-866-212-AMEX.
Dilating pupils. Are their pupils dilated? Because that can be a sign of aggression, excitement, nervousness, or pleasure. Barking.